The next postulate of Dalton atomic theory is, fifth postulate is, atoms combine in the ratio of small whole number to form compounds. It means when the elements compound, the ratio will be small whole number. There is no fraction. The last postulate, the relative number and the kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. This is, we have already done, that is the law of chemical. Yes, this is the law of constant proportion. We have done that. Always the ratio will be fixed. Now there are few numerical which is based upon the law of chemical conservation of mass and the constant proportion. Chemical combination के हैं बेटा. The first example I am just explaining. When 4.2 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate is added to the solution of HCl, the weight of the HCl is 10 gram given to you. It is observed that 2.2 gram of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. The residue left behind is found to weigh 12 gram. Show that the observation are in agreement with law of conservation of mass. First of all, you must know what is the reaction going on. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also called sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. It reacts with HCl and it forms the product sodium chloride, NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. So the same way which we have discussed earlier, the example of calcium carbonate, you have to check the mass of reactant. The mass of sodium bicarbonate is given to you, that is 4.2 gram. The mass of HCl is also given to you, that is 10 grams. The total mass of the reactant is 14.2 gram. Now come to the mass of product. The mass of the product, in the product there is NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. The mass of carbon dioxide is given to you 2.2 gram, and the residue which contain NaCl and water, it is 12 gram. So the total mass of the reactant the total mass of the product is 14.2 gram. So you can see the mass of reactant is equal to the mass of product. So this observation proves the law of conservation of mass. So beta ji, the one numerical also I have done for the constant proportion. You have to see yourself. Try to solve the question which is given in your book, page number 32 and 33. We will discuss these small problems in the next class. And you have to complete the work now only. All the written work should be complete within this hour. And you must be online throughout the hour when there is class. You can ask the problem related to this. I am available, I am online for 1 hour.